like those.
That one little spark.
Oof, missed it.
Are you trying to video him?
I like the grand finale.
Yep. There it is.
I like those. They're pretty, but I wish they were bigger.
I know, right? All 2 in 1.
God, it sounds like a thunder.
Oh my god. My dog is so afraid of thunder, she would be screaming right now.
Oh, yay. That dog that we went to see outside.
Yeah.
Good thing we didn't bring Bill. She'd be trying to chase the fireworks.
Feel like, let me at him, let me at him.
It looks so cool whenever they're dying. I
No.
like those whenever they just It sounds like a war zone.
I think the biggest one we've seen so far was this big. It was this big, Gabby.
No, it's been this big.
Small.
No, it was this big.
No, 3 at a time. Ooh, pretty.
Almost look like a heart.
I know.
That's the biggest one we've
Midget.
seen.
Boom!
That was not a midget.
It looked like one. I like how you can see.
I love those.
Ooh,
My
I
mom,
love those.
those are
I like the ones that do that. Like there was some in the
When I
Jennings
blink, I
parade.
see fireworks over here.
Remember the ones in the Jennings parade where they moved?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
What do you mean by that?
I love
There was some
those.
of those in the Jennings parade.
They used to do them that had hearts
It sparkles.
That was cool.
or a star or something.
Whee! No, there needs to be one that says I love Santa Claus.
It's like,
Pick it up.
it's
Put
one
it in your
and
pocket.
two. No, that was done. Like that.
Mission Outbreaker's giving us new cars anyway.
That's cool.
For the library.
That was bright. Oh, I love it.
You should probably hear this in Spain.
Aww, that's as high as I thought it would go.
Yeah, you should hear this in Spain probably.
No.
I was joking. Nobody.
Every time it pops, I can like.
It's a bright, you can say it for hours. I wonder what the people in planes up in the sky are thinking about this. Especially airplane. What if one actually hits an airplane? That'd be horrible. They can't go high enough. No, but like,
Look, look, there's an airplane right there. Look, you see it moving?
where? Yeah.
Where?
I don't see it. That or just.
Do you not see it moving?
No. It's a star.
Awesome.
They were small, but they were.
LSU?
LSU.
They're coming down.
They're gonna rain down on the people, and the people are gonna scream.
Cool.
They're hitting the water.
You can see them over there hitting the water.
I just hope none like.
Excuse me.
I know, right? Ooh, that looks so cool.
Incoming. Some of them are way too close. With mine.
Ooh, that one's hot. Ooh.
No,
We're probably
we
gonna
can
have to scoot back for the grand finale.
go. Why?
Cause, dude, they set off fireworks everywhere.
Oh, we'll be okay.
I know it was one. It went down, and then the one that was coming down turned into another one.
I know. That's cool. Like that.
Oh, the stars. There's Patrick.
Yeah.
Lady.
Let's move back.
Hello, is it Crunch Crab? No, this is Patrick. Hang on.
I feel like they're gonna hit us.
I
feel
know,
like they're
that's
gonna
why I
hit
want to
us.
move back to the grand finale.
The grand finale.
That's in the end where
We
they
are
set off
scooting back,
like
Gabby.
fireworks all the time.
Gabby, we are scooting back.
I like
Three, two,
Whee!
one. Ba-boom.
those. Ha! Go!
Imagine if two of them were at the side, like, and they blew up at the same time.
Oh, it's the grand finale.
No, it's
No,
not.
not yet.
It's not. That was. That was bright. I want to touch it. No, you don't. Yeah, I do. I want
I love those.
No, it's like, ooh.
Ah, they're blinking.
I know, right? Oh, they're side to side. I'm coming too. Me too.
You saw how those are? It's a circle one and then a big one comes out.
Incoming.
Those are bright.
I know.
It like lights up the. See, look. I know. Ooh, red and blue.
I want to touch it.
I want to have an LSU one.
They already had one. It was
they
purple
did.
and gold. You can ask my mom.
It's his mom too.
You can ask our mom.
Yes, it was already yellow and purple.
Why do we have to wear life jackets if we're not moving?
Because you have to if you're under a certain age.
Popcorn!
Popcorn.
Ethan said that. Ethan said
Oh my god!
Daddy, can we back up?
We don't need to back up.
It's not coming.
No.
We should just go like right in the middle where they're at.
Heck no. You really want to get him out of these things?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Lit. No, you gotta stare at them.
Oh, that's cool. Whoa. Stare at the missile. And
I
watch how
know.
bright it feels.
Oh,
I love that. You can see the
It's
tiny
amazing the
explosion.
echo.
I know it.
ooh, that was pretty.
Look the
No,
tiny
and look, you just see all the different shapes going down.
You can see the clouds.
Oh, I got shot. There. Oh,
Stop it.
oh, I'm getting shot. Do the grand finale.
like down here. Oh. Like every time we go up, I
You
want
can
to
please stop.
Come sit down here so we can like. Is it dry?
yeah.
but it's hot.
Put your hoodie on.
Here.
Told her to put her hoodie
How
on.
do they do that?
You gotta be missed a good one.
Flat back.
Because you can't see them if you're looking up like this.
Sounds like a 223. Like that. It's gonna do it.
Oh, that was the biggest.
You can feel it.